Hello, my dear boys and girls. I hope all of you are doing great. A big, warm welcome to every person who is right now here watching this video. So people, today's session is fantastic because I'll be talking to you all about how to score 60 plus in JEE Mains with ease. Got it? Hello, Charisma, welcome. Virendra, welcome. Shreyas, Frederick, Rama Kumar, very warm welcome to each and every person. Lovely to have you here, guys, and a very good evening. Let's get started. Are you all excited? How many of you are waiting for this? Nitish Raju, welcome. Anushik, welcome, man. Nice to have you here. Nikita is also here. Welcome, Nikita. Science Priya, Harris, Varunesh, Devil. Great. So nice to see you. Vinay Kumar, welcome. Vijay, welcome Vijay. Subhashish, Deepika, welcome Deepika, nice to have you. VIT Bhopal or SRM? VIT or SRM? That's a tough choice, Nitish. So wherever you are, your location also matters. So you decide. I would say both are equally good. Yes, Anushik, it's already there, Anushik. You can check it out in our channel. Hi Aditi, Tulasiram, Pradeep, Dhananjay, welcome Dhananjay, Vimal, Hishant, Vivek, Pujita, you guys are awesome. So people, what am I going to do today? Today, you will get to know the Sureshot Topics for JEE 2021, the next two attempts with respect to mathematics. Okay, with respect to mathematics, I'm going to teach you how to score 60 plus in JEE Mains Maths, and I'm going to cover the most expected questions today. Are you all ready? How many of you are super excited for this particular session? Yes? So you're going to do all of that with me, Shimon sir. I will explain my background. I'll introduce myself to you in a short while. But I want to know how excited you are. That is very important to me. Thank you, Dhanush. That is so awesome, man. That is sweet of you to tell that. Abhinav, welcome Abhinav. Absolutely, Abhinav. Follow my advice. Whatever I'm suggesting you right now, make a note of it, Abhinav, and work on it. You can get at least 90 above. 96 above if you want. I told you, you need to have an intensive plan. You can have, let's say, a crash course or test series so that you can evaluate your mistakes and get better at them. Okay. Nitish, this will be a short session. Don't worry about it. But at least it will be 45 minutes to 1 hour. That is what I call as a short session. Very good. So people, let's get started. Here we go right now. So people, my name is Shimon Joseph. For all those who are new to this channel, I would firstly welcome you all. I'm so happy and glad to have everybody here who are here for the first time. The others, you guys have been our loyal supporters. I cannot thank you guys enough. All of you are the reason why I come here every day energetic to help you for free. In YouTube, Vedantu is doing a great job. That's because of the love and support you guys show. Okay, so thank you for that. And people, let me quickly run through my background. So I did my BTech from IIT Madras. So you guys aspired to study in IIT. Like you, I was also aspiring when I was a young boy. Like when I was probably in 11th standard, 10th standard, I also dreamt of getting into IIT. So I went to coaching, I prepared very hard, I competed with my friends, and eventually I was able to make it. So I'm going to share all my experiences, what worked for me, what didn't work for me, and what are the chapters in my teaching experience I feel should be important for JEE Mains. I'm going to tell all those secrets out today. So please make sure you guys listen and use that carefully. Got it? Great. So I did my BTech from IIT. I cleared KVPY and I also was one of the state toppers in JEE Mains. So that's my background. After I got into teaching, I produced top 100 All India rank in JEE Advanced. So to be precise, All India rank 38, All India rank 41 in 2019 were personally mentored by me. So they were part of the Ekalavya batch. I'm sure you guys know what is Ekalavya batch. It is a toppers batch of Vedantu. So I was teaching the Ekalavya batch, but now I'm here in YouTube because I wanted to interact with everybody here. Got it? So that's my background. If you want to connect with me, if you want to know what I did and what I do apart from teaching in my day-to-day life, you can probably follow me on Instagram. You can ask me your doubts, your questions, your like secrets to success or suggestions, advice, whatever. You can talk to me as a friend and I will support you over here. Got it? So people, shall we get started? Hello Sundar, Ammu, welcome Ammu, nice to have you. Ravi Varma, welcome man. Bismita, welcome. Virat Kohli, Akash, Pavan Kalyan, fantastic. Yes, Rasingan. So let's get started. Here we have the most important slide for all the newcomers. So people, this is Enthuse Vedantu English JEE channel. English JEE channel. So if you are an engineering aspirant, if you are preparing for KVPY, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, VIT, SRM, BITSAT, any of these exams, then this is the channel for you because we teach in English completely. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on these wonderful lectures. I'm not the only teacher. It is not only maths. You have physics and chemistry as well. Physics, you have Shreyas sir. Chemistry, you have Wasim sir. Both of them are super friendly, super cool teachers whom you will love for sure. Okay, so do check out their videos as well and make sure you share if you really love it and like the video so that your teachers are encouraged. Kaushik, the crash course will be in English. Yes, absolutely Kaushik. Okay, so people, shall we get started? How to score 60 plus? How many of you are confident in the next attempt? How many of you are confident in the next attempt that you will score 60 plus? Genuinely, sir, I will score 60 out of 100. I hope you know the marks, right? 60 out of 100. How many of you have the confidence? Let me know, guys. Sir, I will do it, sir. Everybody, please let me know. Shivam, this is an English channel, man. Reaper says yes. Pramesh, Pradeep, you guys are awesome. Lamborghini Terzo, welcome, man. Then we have Cristiano, 100 out of 100. Fantastic, that is very good. Shrikar, Aditi, Shridinath, Subhashish, Jeevan, great. Sham Ruben, very good Sham. Kriti is not confident, but Kriti, after today's session, I hope your perspective changes. 80 plus, some people are saying their target is great. Very good. Siva Ganesh, yes Siva Ganesh, why not? Great. So people, let's move forward. Yes, everybody can. Everybody can. It just requires smart work. That is the secret which I'm going to let you out today. I'm going to let out the secret today, but guys, after the secret is out, even then you have to work hard. It's not like magic. Shimon sir told me the topics, tomorrow I'll get 60 plus. No, you have to work hard. Nothing comes easy in life. You need to sacrifice, you need to sweat it. Only then you will probably achieve what I'm saying. But at least I'm giving you some guidance. I'm giving you some guidance. Without my guidance, what effort you have to put to get 60 marks? Compared to that, what you have to do now will be lesser. Did you understand that? So this lecture is definitely a blessing because it reduces your workload to achieve the same target. That's how you understand it. I'm very practical, very rational in my saying. I will never mislead you or misguide you. Vedantu will not do that. Vedantu does not like that. Okay? So shall we get started? Everybody, thank you Neha. That is so kind of you Neha. I'm glad you're enjoying it. So people, let's get started. Let's run through the topics very fast. So what are the short topics of mathematics? I keep saying this in my lectures. So if you attend my lectures, you always must be aware of what are all the short topics because I keep telling them. It is not a secret. It is something which is common sense. You see these topics getting very high weightage. So what are those topics? Can you guys let me know? Hello Harshini, welcome. Exactly Tulasi Ram. Very good. Lamborghini, you are partially correct. Very good. Asim, you have to become serious, man. The exam is very quickly approaching now. So try to develop that habit or enjoy the process of solving, man. At least love mathematics, love to solve it. That will help you get an advantage over others. Okay, so some of my students are absolutely right. So are you all excited? Shall I directly show you the slides? Are you all ready, my dear boys and girls? Can you give me a thumbs up? Can you give me a yo? So that we can together open the next slide. and have a look at it. Statistics, binomial. I think every chapter people have covered. They covered the entire topic. Okay, very good. Set. Abhinesh, next level man. Very good. Okay, so boys and girls, here we go. The important topics according to me. The first and the foremost, sequence and series. How many of you said sequence and series? Do you agree? Sequence and series is my first priority. I would first give importance to sequence and series because it is one of the highest weightage topics. Highest weightage. Next you come with statistics. Easy topic, one question will come pakka. Easy topic, one question will come pakka. Then application of derivative, 100% one question. 100%. 100% you'll get one question either from tangents and normals or from maxima minima or from Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, but one question confirmed. Okay, then definite integration. Every year one question or sometimes even two questions come from definite integration. Then what is the next one? Quadratic equation. Easy topic. You have been studying it right from your 10th standard. You have been studying this topic right from your 10th standard. Easy kill topic. Again, very high weightage. So quadratic is my next guy. Then matrices and determinants. Guys, this is a legend. Matrices and determinants is a very high weightage topic. Very high weightage. Okay, sometimes you get two questions. One in matrices, one in determinants. That is double dhamaka. Two questions from this particular chapter. So please give importance to these topics. I am not telling it just out of the blue. No, I am telling it after a lot of research and statistics. You know what? To surprise you guys, I'm going to back it up with numbers. Because I know otherwise you won't take it seriously. I'm going to back it up with numbers. Wait for a minute. You will understand what I'm talking about. Then mathematical reasoning. One question every session. One question. Then limits. Limits is also important. Then straight line. So guys, these are all the important topics I feel which can pakka give you 60 marks for sure. It can pakka give you 60 marks approximately, 50 to 60 marks. Are you all ready? Everybody? Are you all ready? From 9th standard Santosh says, absolutely yes. So guys, take a screenshot of it. Write it down and make sure you follow it. The session PDF will be given to you after the class. The session PDF. Guys, there are other chapters which are important. For example, calculus, vectors, 3D, probability, PNC. Yes, they're also important. But I am picking the easiest topics which are easy to score to get 60 marks for a student who's weak in mathematics. That is where you need help, right? If 3D vectors are important, that means you are studying full portion. That anybody can do. If you're a student who is capable of getting 100 marks, you don't even have to watch this video, man. Why are you watching this? This is for those people who struggle with mathematics, who want to score 40 marks easily. Sir, tell me some idea, sir. I am a NEET aspirant, sir. I am a NEET aspirant, sir. How will I get 40, 50 marks, sir, easily? These are the topics. Got it? Now, Dhanush is asking, sir, are you sure it is 50, 60 marks? Let's prove, Dhanush, that it will be pakka 50, 60 marks. Okay? It will be pakka 50, 60 marks. Shall we move forward? Are you all ready? Arisfa, it is only for JEE Mains, not for advance. Guys, only for JEE Mains. Abhinesh, I know maths is not there in NEET, man. I'm saying NEET aspirant who writes JEE Mains. I've been in teaching field for 7 years, man. Do you think I don't know? Maths is not there in NEET. Okay? Great. So now coming to the proof. Let's see how many questions came in 2021. Are you all excited to know these statistics so that you believe how many questions come from these chapters? Are you all ready? You are all gonna be blown away when I show you the next slide. Are you all ready? Let's create some suspense, guys. How excited are you? I gave you the topics. Now I'm giving you the proof also. And proof from what? Last century? Before Christ? No, I'm giving you proof from this year, from February and March attempt. So in February and March attempt, in the 6 attempts, the 6 shift that we had, you look at the number of questions. What do we have? Sequence theory is 6, 8, 3, 5, 10, 7, 9, 10, 6, 5, so on. So totally from the topics which I gave, there are 76 questions in February attempt. There are 78 questions in March attempt. So can I say more or less you get 80 questions? Approximately. Let's take it for good calculation. Okay, let's say 78 questions. Let's take 78 questions, more or less. Got it? Are you guys okay with it? So 78 questions you get in one attempt. Got it? So in your July attempt or August attempt, let's say, I don't know when the exam is, but let's say you have in July or August, one of the attempt will have 78 questions. Is it safe to assume? Is it safe to assume? And how many shifts are there? There are 6 shifts. So divide by 6. So if I divide by 6, I get 13 questions per shift. I get 13 questions per shift from the topics which I gave here. And 13 into 4 is how much? 52 marks. You get 52 marks if you just study what I gave you here. So is that crazy? Did you like it? How many of you are enjoying it? This is amazing, right? So 52 pakka you get if you just follow these just titles which I'm giving you right here. That is why I keep saying planning and smart work is everything. Planning and smart work is everything. It is not a tough task. You guys are capable, man. You guys are capable of getting it. But you have to plan it. PNC, you get one question, Varunesh, but I wouldn't recommend it as a high weightage topic or as an important topic because sometimes students leave it also. Got it? So you can decide, Varunesh, whether you want to take it or not. Okay. Great. So people, with that, shall I move forward? Logendra, I'm so happy you enjoyed it. So guys, this is the statistics. Abhinav, welcome man, nice to have you. Yes, Tarun, I'll ask Shreyas sir and Wasim sir also to take a session like this. Okay, great. Manpreet, I would say please increase it, Manpreet. You have to bring it to 90. So like I told you, work on these easy topics. Try to push your percentile to 90. If you get 90, then you have a chance at NIT, Manpreet. So our crash course can help you. I'll talk about it at the end, not right now. So people, that's about the topics. Now shall we solve some questions? How many of you are in the mood for questions? Everybody, please get started. I want you to try out these questions so that you understand what level. These are all JEE Main level questions. It is not very easy, but at the same time, it's not very difficult also. Please do it, my dear boys and girls. Come on, guys. Let's get into some academics. Let's get into academics because that is what will fetch you marks. It is not the knowing the topics. It is how to solve them, how to get better at them. That is what I'll be teaching you. So people, I want everybody to practice it and let me know. I got 90% in maths. Harsha, fantastic Harsha. That's awesome. Now if you want to improve it, work on your mistakes, Harsha. What mistakes you made, check it and then get better at it. Sri Teja, we don't know Sri Teja. We have to wait for the government to announce it. You cannot believe any rumor unless the government tells it. Don't believe anything else. Okay. Abhinav, thank you so much, man. Fantastic. Vector algebra, you will get one question from 3-dimensional geometry. So that is how vectors and 3D will come out. Got it? Hi Manpreet, welcome. Nice to have you here. Pravalika, that is so kind of you. Awesome. Exactly, Yashwant. That's what. We don't know, so we'll have to wait for the announcement from government sides. My point on expected dates, I feel it might be August first week or August mid, but we'll have to wait and only see. Got it? So guys, let's get started. What is the answer? The answer is real and distinct. Manpreet is absolutely right. Absolutely right. Because we know that A, B, C, D is an increasing AP. So A is less than B is less than C is less than D. So what is f of x? Let's take f of x to be x minus a into x minus c plus twice of x minus b into x minus d. Okay, so now we will find out f of a, f of b, f of c, f of d. Can you tell me whether they are positive or negative? That alone is enough. F of a means this value will be under. F of a means I will put a in the place of here x, so it will become under. It will be a minus b into a minus d. Both will be negative. Negative into negative will be positive. So f of a is positive. Now f of b will be what? F of b will be b minus a into b minus c, which will be negative. F of c will be c minus b into c minus d, negative. F of d will be positive. So this is a value or sign. So let's mark a, b, c, d on the number line. We know that b and c is negative, a and d is positive. So there will be one root between a and b, one root between c and d. So the roots are real and distinct. Beautiful question. Did you like it? Everybody. Very good, Dhanush. You are right. Dhanush, you can do that. Absolutely. How many of you are able to understand it? Did you like it the way I solved it? Did you guys enjoy the way I solved it? Fantastic. Tulasi Ram, Shuraik, Hasini, great. Sanjay, Neelalohit, fantastic. I studied in CBSE, Abhinesh. CBSE, not Tamil Nadu board. Directly putting value, Giridharan, yes, why not, man? You can do that. Why not? Okay. This statistics is only for this year. Yashwant, yes. Guys, whatever statistics I showed you is for this year, and that is the same trend which will continue for this year, man. Okay. Are you all clear? Fantastic. Was it a previous year question? Yes. JEE Mains, you get many questions of this kind. All the others, please make sure you check it out. Asim, I did not draw the curve exactly. See, at A, the functional value is positive because put A in the place of X. You will get this to be 0. This will be positive. So that's what I put here. So A is positive, B is negative, C is negative, D is positive. So that graph, if it is positive and negative, then it will have a root in between. So between A and B, there will be one root. Between C and D, there will be one root. So there are two roots in two different intervals. So they are real roots and distinct roots. That's the answer. Brilliant question. Brilliant question. This is the level to which you have to practice. This is the level up to which you have to practice. Tarun, please pull the video back and check it out. It is not the wavy curve method, Tulasiram. It is intermediate value theorem. It is intermediate value theorem. So if one value is positive and another value is negative, and if it is a continuous function, then between these two values, there will be a root. There will be a root. Roots may be negative or positive, I don't care, Rajesh. But there are two distinct roots. That's the question. Our question is, are the roots real and distinct? Yes, they are. Are you all clear? Did you like it, Rajesh? I hope you enjoyed it. Now, coming to the next question. Come on, boys and girls. Are you all ready? Please solve it. Everybody, put your full effort, guys. I want everybody to put your full effort and interest into it. Try to complete it, boys and girls. I'm sure you guys are capable of getting it. Okay. I'm sure you guys are capable of getting the answer. Where do this topic? This is determinants, man. This is determinants. The previous question was quadratic equations. I'm just showing you various combinations up to mains level. Whatever I'm showing you right now, my dear, is mains level. Like your mock test. Imagine Shimon sir is giving you most expected questions. So treat it like that and solve it seriously. Everybody participate. Last question was quadratic equation combined with sequence and series. Brilliant combination. Very probable question. Okay. Thank you, Bismita. I'm so happy you are enjoying it. Definitely Ponada Chakri, I'll ask them. I'll ask Shreyas sir as well. Om Vani, don't worry Om Vani, I will help you. Okay, great. I'm 23 aspirant, came here to practice Tukka. Bharat, try. I'll see if you can make a good guess. I'll see if you can make a good guess. Sanjay says R1 plus R2. Why R1 plus R2? Man, do R1 minus R2. So guys, the first two The first two operations are R1 I'll change it as R1 minus R2 and R2 I will change it as R2 minus R3. So let's do that. If I do that, what will I get? F of x is equal to R1 minus R2 means sin square theta cancel. R1 minus R2 means it will become minus 5. R1 minus R2 means under. And here R2 minus R3 means under. R2 minus R3 means 5. R2 minus R3 means minus 5. Then here I'll have sin square x, cos square x, and then I'll have 5 plus 4 sin 2x. Are you all clear with it? Can you tell me the value of f of x now? Brilliant. Brilliant. Did you like it? Did you like it? Only two operations. R1 is R1 minus R2. Whenever you have determinants, if you do R1 as R1 minus R2, nothing will change. The determinant will be the same. That is exactly what I did. This is a skill you develop. This is a skill you develop. You do this, look at how simple the determinant becomes. Look at how simple the determinant becomes. That is a trick which you have to master. You have to learn it. Are you all cool with it? Okay. Just information, Tanmay. It is not useful. Yes, Tanmay. It is just information. Archit, yes, Archit, you are a bit late, but you can follow it from here. It is just half an hour, but I started solving questions now. So if you want, you can also join. You can also participate. Okay. So guys, are you all ready? Let's take 5 common from the first row. If I take 5 common from the first row, I will get 5 outside, na? And I'll take 5 common from the second row. So I'll get 1 minus 1. Here also I'll get 1 minus 1. Are you all cool with that? Everybody? Everybody cool with it? Great. Now open it. Let's open it. So this will be 25, na? So this will be 25. So 25 into, what is the determinant value of this? Can you guys help me with that? Please, somebody do it correctly and tell me. Somebody do it correctly and tell me what is the determinant value of this. Just directly open it, no problem. Directly open it. Come on people, add C1 plus C2, some people are saying. Okay, I can do that. Yes, boys and girls, what's up? Dheeraj Roy says 50 plus 20 sin 2x. Are you sure? Because I doubt it, Dheeraj. I doubt it. Come on people, Richita. Tell me what is the value, guys. I want the determinant value. So let me do it. Let me do it for you. Okay. So let's open it directly. So it will be 1 into 5 plus 4 sin 2x. 5 plus 4 sin 2x minus of minus cos square x. So it will be 5 plus 4 sin 2x minus of minus cos square x. So it will become plus cos square x. Okay, then you have minus of minus 1, which will be plus 1 times of. You will have what? You will have 0 into this plus sin square x. So it will be plus sin square x. So cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So this will be what? This will be equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus it will be 4 sin 2x. Are you all clear? So that is the determinant value. So what is the determinant value? The determinant value is nothing but 6 plus 4 sin 2x. So what is f of x? F of x is equal to 150 plus 100 sin 2x. Beautiful. Amazing. Amazing. This is what I wanted. How many of you have got it till here? If you guys have understood it completely till here, I want you all to give me a thumbs up, give me a yo. Quickly guys. Everybody, please let me know with a thumbs up, with a yo, so that we can move forward and complete this question. Because after this also, it's a beautiful question. It's a beautiful question, and people, I'm telling you, it's a very probable question. You can get a question like this in your exam, official exam. Okay, so let me erase this and let me now finish off the question. What is the domain? The domain of sin 2x is all real numbers. So what is the domain for our question? The domain is all real numbers. But what did they give? Minus 50 to plus 50? Wrong. It is wrong. It should be all real numbers. Next one, the range of function is all real numbers? What? No way. The maximum value of sin 2x is 1. So maximum will be 150 plus 100. So maximum will be 150 plus 100, 250. Minimum will be when sine 2x is minus 1. So if sine 2x is minus 1, 150 minus 100 will be 50. So this is the range. The range should be 50 to 250. So that is also wrong. Did you like it? Did you like it? Everybody? Everybody cool with it? So guys, I'm teaching you four questions in this one question. I'm teaching you how to find domain, how to find range, how to find period, and then the last part. So let's do all four of them so that we gain the maximum out of this question. Okay, perfect. So the next one, period. So period of this function is, see, constant can have any period. Constant function can have any period. It is adjusting. It is self-adjusting. It is self-adjusting. So don't worry about the constant. Worry about sine 2x. So sine 2x period is what? Sine x period is 2 pi. Sine x period is 2 pi. But sine 2x period will be 2 pi by 2, which will be pi. Whenever you multiply sine x by some k, the period will become 2 pi by k. Got it? So the period of sine kx is equal to 2 pi by k. This is a formula, you can note it down. The period of sine kx is 2 pi by k. Are you all clear? So 2 pi by 2 will be pi, but 2 pi is given, that's wrong. So that is why C is also wrong. So naturally D is the right answer. You guys are smart. You guys are all legends. Absolutely right. Good job. But how D? Did you guys solve it? Did you guys complete it, my dear boys and girls? So let's see how to complete it. Please listen carefully. Everybody. So f of x minus 150. So it is f of x is 150 plus I have 100 sine 2x minus 150 divided by I have x. So 150 will get cancelled. So I'll have limit x tending to 0, 100 sine 2x by x. So let's remove everything else. 100 sine 2x by x is what I have. So I'll multiply by 2, I'll divide by 2. Now sine 2x by 2x is 1. Whenever x tends to 0, sine 2x by 2x is 1. So answer is 2 into 100, 200. Do I have 200 here? Yes. So D is the answer. Did you like it? Very good. Absolutely. Okay. Fantastic, guys. Absolutely. Yes. Tanmay, I get it. So whenever they say period, you have to find the fundamental period only. So in JEE Mains, they'll be more specific. Don't worry about it. Cos kx is also 2 pi by k only. Siddharth, it is the same thing. Yes. Brilliant. So guys, did you all like it? Let's go to one more question. Brilliant one. So everybody try to solve this because it is from a favorite chapter of yours. It is from your favorite chapter, sequence and series, typical JEE Mains question. Okay, these are all taken from NTA and previous years JEE Mains. So everybody solve it. Let me see maximum participation from you guys. Come on, people. You are all capable of getting it right. So please put your best effort and try to nail it in the right manner possible. Okay, all of you guys, come on, people. Samir says D. Okay, Samir, we'll check it. So S1 means what? S1 means first term is 1 and common ratio is 1 by 2. S2 means what? First term is 2 and common ratio is 1 by 3. So what is the summation? The summation is first term by 1 minus common ratio because it's up to infinity. So S infinity is what? S infinity is A by 1 minus R. So it is nothing but first term divided by 1 minus common ratio, which will be equal to 2. S2 will be equal to what? 2 by 1 minus 1 by 3. So that will be equal to 3. Got it? Everybody cool with it? So similarly, S3 will be what? S3 will be first term is 3 divided by 1 minus common ratio is 1 by 4. So that will be equal to 4. So now you saw the pattern. S1 is 2, S2 is 3, S3 is 4. So did I get the pattern? You guys tell me. Did we get the pattern? Everybody, if you feel you are able to follow, please let me. Are you able to understand the pattern which is associated with these questions? Come on people, please let me know in the chat quickly. Yes, fantastic. So I got S1 to be 2 and we have to square it. Then S2 is equal to 3, we have to square it. S3 equal to 4, we have to square it. S10 will be equal to what? By the pattern, it is the next number. 3 means 4, 2 means 3, 1 means 2. So S10 means 11. So it will be 11 square. So this is my answer. You can either count it or you can use sequence and series formula. What is missing? 1 square is missing. So I'll add 1 square and I will subtract 1 square. So as to complete the formula. Now I can use a formula, sum of first 11 squares of natural numbers. Sum of first 11 squares of natural numbers. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus 1. That's it. So this will be what? 22 into 23 minus 1. So 22 into 23 minus 1. That will be 506 minus 1, 505. So 505, my dear students, you guys are absolutely awesome. You guys are absolutely the best. Shrikar, are you able to follow? Are you all able to understand, guys? Boys and girls, please let me know quickly if you all understood it, if you all nailed the concept. Will you do it if it comes in exam? If it comes in JEE Mains, will you make me proud? Everybody, please let me know. You should be able to crack it with ease. Yes, Danush. Fantastic. Harsha, fantastic Harsha. Samradhi, very good Samradhi. Very good Adish, fantastic man. I'm glad you did well. Great. So with that people, let's move forward. Okay. So let's go to one more question which is super interesting. Please try to solve it. It's a very unique question, guys. I'm so happy, Ravi, you are enjoying these lectures. Yes, Kukup, Sukte, will do it very fast. Don't worry. I'll just finish it off very soon. But please take down these questions because these are all most expected or most probable topics where you can get questions from. Okay, I proved it to you. So in case somebody came late to the lecture, please watch the beginning. Watch the beginning. Adish, I'm not sure Adish. I don't know why, man. Hello Surya Prakash, very good evening. Samir Khan, welcome man. That's amazing Samir. Samir is very fast. So here, people might be thinking, sir, how to solve this, sir? Sir, how do I even start? It's a very good question, guys. It's a very good question. You will be thinking where to start. The starting point, you will be blown away. What is that? The standard deviation is always, greater than or equal to 0. Can you believe this is the starting point? Can you believe this is the starting point? Without this, you cannot solve this question. Without this, you cannot solve this question. Can you believe that? Yes. Crazy, isn't it? Option verification, even then you need to realize this. Okay, so let's try to solve it. Everybody listen carefully. So standard deviation is what? It is nothing but sigma. Sigma square should be greater than or equal to 0. Because if sigma is greater than 0, sigma square is also greater than or equal to 0. What is sigma square? Variance. What is variance? Variance is, sigma square is variance, right? So variance formula is what? Variance is nothing but sigma xi square by n minus x bar square. Got it? So it is sigma xi square is what? 400 by n minus x bar. X bar is what? X bar is equal to sigma xi by n. So that is going to be 80 by n whole square. Now that should be greater than or equal to 0. Now find the interval. So you will get 400 by n is greater than or equal to 6400 by n square. So you will get n to be greater than or equal to 16. So the only value is option D. Beautiful. Guys, Ramakumar, standard deviation can never be negative. Standard deviation should be either positive or it should be 0 at the minimum. It is like modulus. Standard deviation, Ram Kumar, can never be negative. It should be either positive or 0. Beautiful. So standard deviation is sigma. Sigma should be positive or 0. So sigma square should also be positive or 0. Sigma square is what? Square of standard deviation. What is square of standard deviation? Variance. What is variance? Variance is this formula. And that is what they have given. And using that, I beautifully solved it. Hello Sanvi. Very good evening Sanvi. Welcome back. Harsha. Very good Harsha. Nice question, right, Tulasi Ram? Absolutely, it's a fantastic question. I enjoyed solving it. Did you all like it? So shall I move forward, boys and girls? Shall we go ahead? Everybody? Fantastic. So with that, let me proceed to the next one. The last question that I have for you today. I want you guys to practice it and comment it down below in the comment section. Okay. I want you guys to write me the solution. I'm not going to solve it, because this is mathematical reasoning. Even if I solve it, if you don't know, you don't know. I have taken many lectures on this topic. Make sure you go check out my lectures on mathematical reasoning. You will enjoy it. You will be thorough with this chapter. But yeah, comment it down below and I would want to see your answers. Okay. So guys, if you are interested to solve more and if you want to get better at your JEE Mains, for the Sureshot Topics, you can check out the Vedantu's crash course. It has questions from our Tattva material and we have a wonderful crash course which is going on right now. Okay. Yes, Sanvi, you are early for tomorrow. Okay. Sarath, absolutely. If you are starting off right now, you need to have a backing. You can check the crash course. Maybe that will give you some direction. Okay. If you are completely starting afresh, I would say it's too late, man. It's too late. Okay, so what do you get in the crash course? You get live classes, you get Tattva material, the best material for JEE preparation, developed by Vedantu, used by All India Rank 1 in 17 and 18. You have doubt solving from 8 o'clock till 11 o'clock at night. All you need to do is take a photo of your doubt, send it to the doubts app, they will solve it for you. You have 20 test series, 10 part test and 10 full test. 10 part test and 10 full test. If all of this impresses you, if you feel, sir, it might be useful for me, I am very serious about my JEE preparation. Okay, I am very serious about my JEE preparation. I want to do well. Then, like I told you, we have proven results, proven track record. 300 students got 99 percentile, guys, in this year. In this year, 300 people got 99 percentile. So if you also want to be here, then you can check out our crash course. We have toppers as well. 99.97, 96, 91, 86, 85. So if you also want to be there, then check it out. This is starting tomorrow. So the crash course in Vedantu for JEE Mains is starting tomorrow. The link is given in the description. I will show you how to join it if you are interested. Okay. So the price was 10,000, but now it is reduced to 5,500 with the discount code over here. Great, Bismita. I'm so happy you guys enjoyed it. And guys, I will take more sessions like this. Varunesh, yes, Varunesh, I will request Shreyas sir and Wasim sir also. Maybe they can also help you with it. Okay, great. So people, how to join the crash course? For those who are interested, I will just show you once how to do it in case you are keen on joining it. So you have to go to YouTube. So this is the lecture which is going on currently. So what you need to do is just come below the video. Okay, Charisma, yes Charisma, tomorrow it's a very important session. Harsha, first focus on your mistakes, Harsha. What all mistakes you did, try to work on them and get better at it and write a lot of test series. Hi to myself, Sanvi says, great Sanvi. So guys, write test series, Harsha, that will help you a lot. So this is the video description. So you see, we have the video, right? This is the video. Below the video, you have the description. In the description, you go and check out Vedantu crash course. So you see there are two batches going on currently. One started last week. One is starting tomorrow. So the ending date is given wrong here. Don't mind that. Okay. The ending date, obviously, we will not take up to September. We will complete it before your JEE Mains. So don't worry about that. Pakka, we will support you till you write your final exam. and 5,500 is the price. Here it will show 10,000, but when you click on buy now, when you go to the payment page, my coupon code will be applied, SJCC, and it will become 5,500. That is what you have to pay. Got it? If you are interested. So it is inclusive of everything. Teaching, assignments, test series, until the day you write your exam. Got it, people? Okay, fantastic. So Ravi Verma liked it, great. So people, last option, last resort for those who are very serious, who really want to push to 95, 99 and above. Okay, for those people, this is great. Otherwise, we are here in YouTube to help you. Okay, so this is something which I wanted to share with you to motivate you guys. See, now you can't go back to the beginning. I know everybody wants to go to the beginning. I want to start off again. I have a lot of regrets, sir. I want to go back. But that's not possible because time cannot be rolled back. But what you can do is, you can start from where you are today and maybe change the ending. Can you do that? Can you do that? You have 1 month time. Change the ending, guys. You have that power. You have that power to change the result after 1 month. So make sure you work hard for it and do that. All the very best. If you like the session, do subscribe to the channel and do share it to your friends as well and like the video. Got it? Tomorrow we'll meet at 4 o'clock for a mock test. Tomorrow 4 o'clock mock test. How was the test, Manan? Did you do well? I hope you did well, Manan. Okay, great. Fantastic. So guys, tomorrow at 4 o'clock we'll meet. I love you all. All the very best. Keep working hard and don't lose heart. These 1 month can change around which college you get. So take that in mind and put your best effort. Okay. I wish you success in all you do. And if you want to take my guidance, do follow me on Instagram or on YouTube. I'll always be here for you. Okay. Take care, guys. All the best. Bye-bye. Peace.